Welcome to the March 2020 Manufacturing Update. In addition to a bunch of great bug fixes that are covered in Kaching's update blog, there are several enhancements to the manufacturing workspace, including some brand new functionality. Let's jump in. First, we added a new option in Preferences, General, Manufacturing to allow highlighting when your cursor hovers over the toolpath in the browser, helping with comparisons while programming. In Turning, we added a new Retraction Policy parameter to the profile roughing operation. Do note that this parameter is only available for inside profiling, while the cycle is set to horizontal passes and the direction is set front to back. Full retraction is the new option, and it forces the tool to retract to the safe Z between each pass, helping to extract chips during deep hole boring or while cutting materials that can create stringy chips. I can even use the new toolpath highlighting to quickly see the retract difference between these two toolpaths. Up next, we added a new Keep Tool Down option to the 2D boring operation. By default, the tool retracts between roughing and finishing passes, but with Keep Tool Down checked, the tool remains down, helping streamline this toolpath, especially when many holes need to be bored out. When you're ready to send a job to the floor, you can now create a setup sheet from the Actions panel of the toolbar. This is also available in the right-click menu, which is my personal preference. Setup sheets created from NC programs are now available through Fusion Team, meaning you can access them from the data panel within Fusion or from any browser, making it easy to share and update seamlessly without needing to track down outdated paper copies. There are different default configurations available to help you tailor the setup sheet to what works best for you. Because they are available in Fusion Team, setup sheets also have a version history, commenting, and shared links to help close the loop between programming and operation. Similarly, you can now create inspection reports from the results of surface inspection operations. These reports can be saved locally as a PDF or in Fusion Team for the same commenting, versioning, and sharing capabilities I just covered for setup sheets. We also added Select All and Copy commands to the inspection results dialog, so you can more easily copy inspection data into programs like Excel, helping you more easily integrate Fusion 360 inspection into your existing processes. You can now also calculate inspection results based on the projection of contact point in the CAD model, increasing the accuracy of the results. If you'd like to turn off projection, there is a setting in Preferences to do so. For more information, check out the links in the description. Last but not least, Fusion 360 now supports additive for FFF, or Fused Filament Fabrication. This allows you to take a model through to 3D print while maintaining the associativity to the actual CAD data. No need to export to a separate slicer or print utility. Check out the video linked in the upper right-hand corner right now for an in-depth look at that process from our additive product manager, Swalp Ozzel, who will take you through the full workflow from finished design to 3D print. That's all we've got this time around. Be sure to check out our other videos for a look at what's new in design, engineering, and electronics. Stay healthy out there, and I'll see you for the next update in April.